And we have started to receive images of the damage done to infrastructure in Trelawny. Several communities remain flooded, while some residents have lost their roofs to their homes. Sections of the parish remain without power, while access to telecommunications has also been impacted. The Jamaica Public Service, JPS, says the country's electricity grid sustained major damage during Hurricane Melissa, leaving thousands without power. JPS's president and CEO, Hugh Grant, says restoration will be a challenging process as crews work to rebuild sections of the network that were heavily affected.
I would say I took a look at our transmission facilities that's going through the mountains and very challenging terrain, connecting the eastern part to the central part to the western part of the island. Transmission facilities, these are high voltage facilities that are the backbone of the system. And I must say, what I just witnessed was just devastation. Currently, we have more than 70% of our transmission facilities out of service. This is facilities west of the Duane substation in Kingston, and I'm literally seeing some of our steel lattice structures twisted, whereby the top of the structure is twisted and dislodged from the bottom of the structure. And here I'm saying steel lattice structure, not wooden poles. That is just evidence in terms of the devastation that we're seeing in regards to the damage here. This will take a tremendous amount of resources. Frankly, we're going to look to get additional help from overseas and additional equipment in order to facilitate a safe and timely restoration.
Is that bad?
It is that bad. And I have seen damage before based on my experience in New York and facing hurricanes. What I've seen here, I've never seen this type of devastation.
Now, the Office of Utilities Regulation, OUR, has approved an initial drawdown of the US $5 million from the Electricity Disaster Fund for the Jamaica Public Service Company Limited. The funds will help JPS quickly mobilize resources for restoration after Hurricane Melissa.